Today we will discuss about the chapter The Little Girl written by Catherine Mansfield. In this story the characters are Kezia, a little girl, Kezia's father, Kezia's mother, Kezia's grandmother and Alice the cook. And finally, not the least, the McDonald's neighbor. Now, let's understand the story in detail. For Kezia, her father was like a demon. She feared a lot. Generally, when father left for office, he used to kiss her and she responded, "Goodbye." When she heard the sound of carriage growing fainter and fainter, she received an unending relief. Now, let's have the understanding of the whole chapter in few questions. The questions will be displayed on the screen and I will be telling you the answers. So this may be the new method, but you will understand the whole chapter easily. So without delay, let's have the questions one by one. Number 1. How did Kezia get relief? So the answer is, when her father left for the office, she got relief because there was no one that she needed to be fearful of. Number next. How did Kezia observe the return of her father every evening? So generally when her father returned from the office, he used to ask for the papers. He used to ask her to remove his boots. He used to ask for slippers. Number 3. How was the girl terrified? By whom? Was she really terrified by her father? So let's have one by one answer. The girl was terrified by her father's appearance. Whenever he wore the spectacles, he looked like a demon to Kezia. She was really terrified by her father. This is the answer of this third question. Now let's have fourth question. I don't know father. What does it mean? This statement means that Kezia was too much terrified because of the appearance of her father. Number 5. Why did Kezia stutter before her father? Generally, Kezia did not stutter before anyone while she was talking, but she was having fear with her father. That's why whenever father came before her, she used to stutter. Number next. Which are the lines that tell about Kezia's fear of her father? So the lines are, he was so big, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth when he yawned. Thinking about him alone was like thinking about a giant. Number 7. When did Kezia feel alone with parents? What did she do usually? Generally on Sundays, when her father did not go to office, her father used to take rest on sofa, mother used to read papers, and no one used to talk to her. Generally her grandmother sent her to interact with her parents, but she found all busy and she used to sit on the stool and looked at her father gravely. Question number 8. Don't stare so, Kezia, you look like a little brown owl. Who said to whom? This statement is told by her father to Kezia only. Number 9. What did she do one day for a gift? Was she good at doing so? One day she tore the important paper which was kept on the table to stuff in the cushion as the gift to her father. it was not going to be good because she had torn the important paper of her father. Number 10. Why was everyone questioned one day? That day, the important paper was lost, so everyone in the house was questioned. What was the secret? The secret was losing of the paper of father. Who was the culprit? Kezia was the culprit. And what happened to her? Father beat her. Number 11. Sit up, he ordered, and hold out your hands. You must be taught once and for all not to touch what does not belong to you. Was father good in saying this statement? No. Father was not good in saying this statement. Do you think it is good for child's future? No, it's not good for child's future. Give your reasons. So, we can say that we should not scold our children when they are in very young age because it has psychological pressure on the mind of child. Number 12. You will forget all about it. In the morning, I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. Who says to whom? Grandmother says to Kezia. Why? Grandmother wanted to soothe Kezia. What will she forget? She will forget about the beating by her father. Number 13. But the child never forgot. What does it mean? The child never forgot the beating by her father. When did she come to know about different types of father apart from her own father? When Kezia was once looking at the neighbor McDonald's family where father was playing with his children behind the fence. That time she thought all fathers are not same. Some fathers are kind also. What was the name of the cook? The name of the cook was Alice. How does Kezia express her fear of being alone? When mother goes to hospital that day, she feels alone and she tells what will she do if she will have a nightmare during the night sleep. Because generally grandmother took her into her bed when she had any fear or any nightmare. That day grandmother and her mother had gone to hospital. What's the matter? He said. Who is he? Why does he say so? When Kezia was sleeping alone, she was having nightmare, and because of the fear, she was crying, "Grandma, Grandma, Grandma." And because of this sound, father arrived in the room of Kezia and he asked to comfort her, his daughter. What's the matter? He wanted to soothe her and he wanted to take care of her properly. How was the girl made to comfortable state? Father brought her to his own bedroom. There he laid her on the bed and made her comfortable. He also slept beside her, and this was the place where she was safe and confident not to have any more nightmare. Then the darkness did not matter. She lay still. What does Catherine Mansfield mean here? She means to say that because of the company of her father, Kezia was not going to feel any nightmare during her sleep, and she did not fear the darkness anymore. Explain the funny feeling of Kezia. Kezia was thinking about her father when she was very close sleeping to her father. She thought that her father was too much tired to love her. Her father was alone in the world who needed to be loved. He was the most busiest person in his family, and he was not looking any more big because she could hear the heartbeat of her father lying on the chest of her father, and now father was very close to her. How does Kezia feel finally? Kezia feels very comfortable at the end of the story because she says that her father had a big heart. It means her father was very kind. She could have understood while she was lying near her father on the bed. Now we can summarize the whole story. In this story, Kezia is a little girl. She fears her father in the beginning of the story. She does not like even the appearance of her father. But one day she tears the important paper kept on the table and she stuffs in the cushion that was made as a gift for her father. And for that reason she was beaten by her father, and from that time she hated her father a lot. But one day when it happened that her mother and grandmother went to hospital, she was left alone. Her cook Alice told to sleep alone in her bedroom. She still missed her grandmother, but anyhow she slept. But when she had the nightmare, that was the difficult time for her. She cried, "Grandma, Grandma, Grandma." And listening to the sound, her father reached to her bedroom and took her with him. There she slept with her father, very comfortable, and that was the time when she broke all the bondage that felt him, that she was different from her father's thought. Here, at the time of sleeping, she understood that her father needed to be loved. Her father was very alone. Her father was very tired. And she felt the heartbeat of her father. That time she turned to be very friendly to her own father. In this way, the story ends. The little girl.